how to enter a trade on MT5. So first thing first, let's open the MetaTrader 5 app. And now you can see I have already placed my trade in here. So you can see there is quotes option at the bottom left corner of this section. So just tap on the quotes and you can see there is lots of options to trade. So you can also see there is search bar, so you can tap on search bar and you can see there is a folder of forex, metal index and Nasdaq as well. So let me get back for now and let me choose AUDC as F. So once you tap on it, you can see there is trade options on in the screen. So once you tap on it, you can see sell by market and buy by market option. So you can choose any of them. So let me tap on buy market for now. So once you do it, you can see my trade has been already taken. So basically this is how, and this is the process to place your trade on MT5. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.